Up guys, my bike check. Start from the front and work my way back. Alright, my bike's colorful. As you can see, it's wonderful. It's light, I like it. Alright, on to the bike check. I got Odyssey Aaron Ross keyboard grips and Blueberry. They're awesome. And they don't move, not right now at least. They're comfortable and squishy. And this one's melted,
like my penis.
like right under here. I got Odyssey power ends. These don't break off like, they're hard plastic, so they don't break off like bar ends that come with grips. And they're in tan. Shadow Conspiracy Voltus bars in 9 rise, 27 width, white. They're awesome. They're light, tall, helps me do tricks. You know, my 360s and stuff like that. Alright, probably sounds like crap. Stock GT top lid stem. Light, but it looks fruity. It's gay. I hate it. I want to get a new one, but it's a stem. It's the only extra one I had. I got, I don't know if you can hear that. That's my headset. It ain't too good. It's the freaking stolen Eastern and Verde, I think. It's just crappy. It's all dusty, like something corroded, I think. I don't know. It's broken. Amber Lexicon forks in black. They're light. I like them. And they're strong. Nice. Tires, Odyssey Aiken P-Light, 2.25. Soft. When you land hard, it doesn't hurt your wrist. Red wall. Pretty nice. Like it. Wheel is stolen roulette rim with a stolen roulette hub. Stolen spokes. It's awesome. It's light. It's got sealed bearings, which means it's not going to break on me. And it spins for a really long time. Alright, on to one of my favorite parts of my bicycle. That is the frame. Okay? Now this is an FBM Berserker version 1. In IROC blue. It's light. I like it. Strong. Had no problems with it. It's, if you look closely, you can see through the paint to the, like, weld stuff. Little rainbow colored things on it. Seat's just a plastic Mission CC Post combo. It's light, but I don't really like it because it's plastic and hurts my butt when I land. Or if I hit my nuts on it, that's really gonna hurt. Integrated C-clamp. My cranks, I have an Eastern non-drive side and Salt drive side because my Eastern one broke. So I just threw this on, but I hope I get new ones for Christmas. My sprocket is stolen Eternity Ring 28 tooth. It's light, it's black, it's nice. I just like that extra crank power so I can go faster. And yeah. Chain is, I used to have a Shadow Aeronaut 2 in black, but I got the white one from my friend and I just mix matched them. It's awesome. Strong, had no problems with it. Yeah, I got Animal Hamilton PC pedals, spin good, kind of loose. Yeah, and they're in like gold or copper, some color. I don't know what it's called. But they're nice, they're grippy, light. I'm gonna probably get them again. Bottom bracket. There we go. Stolen revolver. If you look here, the bottom bracket's got little like indents or holes in them. I don't know. It just makes it look cool. It's red. It's awesome. Light. Like it. Spins real well. I've had no problems with it at all. And yeah, my back wheel. Eastern, Fungay or something, Flyer tire 2.30. It's big and bulky and I like big tires. Light, yeah, it's awesome. If you look close, it's got Eastern imprints in the middle. I don't know, I guess it gives it more grip or something like that. Maybe looks. I don't know. It's awesome. My rim is, I believe it's an Animal RS. I got it from my friend because I had an Alienation, but it broke. So I traded him and some other parts for it, or that and some other parts for it. It's real nice, light, loud. Well, the hub's loud. The rim is awesome. I like it. The hub's an Animal Javelin and red, but there's no Animal logo because the person that my friend got it off bricked it, took it off, and I don't know, it's stupid. But the hub's nice, real light, it's awesome. 9-tooth driver, I'm running 28.9. Like I said before, I like that extra cranking power. It's awesome. Give you guys a hub sound. Real loud hub. Oh yeah, that's my pedals, by the way, if you were wondering what that noise was. Anyways, the hub is loud, nice, like it, looks cool, and yeah, my bike probably weighs like 20 to like 22 pounds light. Probably gonna get brakes on it because I'm tired of wearing out my shoes and all that, and I want to keep my tires as long as I can. It's my bike check. Hope you guys liked it. So if you feel like it, you can do whatever you want, comment, like, whatever. Tell me how retarded my bike is, how gay I am. I don't like wiener, but I don't know. If you guys want to call me gay, go ahead. Alright, bye.